Now open page number 26. Gopi, 100 meters. No, it is much more. Can't say. Okay, so they are, according to their opinion, they are giving their suggestion about the Narmada river width. Okay, some of them are saying that it is near about 100 meters. Okay, Victoria, it must be more than half a kilometer. Victoria, she was saying that it must be more than half a kilometer. Half a kilometer means one kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So half means 500. Half of 1000 का half कितना होता है स्टूडेंट? 500. So half of a meter equal to 500. Look, it is written this bridge is 756.82 meters long. Miss Asha, she said, look, it is written. So somewhere I think it is written this bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that the Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. Okay, so they are saying that the width of the Narmada is near about 500 meters. Was Victoria right? Okay. Yes, Victoria is right because see here already it is given. So and when we compare both, it is more than 500. Okay. So Victoria was right. Now, Safar, I just can't imagine 500 meters. Miss Asa, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. So, student, length of the bridge is 756.82. And length of the bus, 5 meter. 756. Now it is total and we are making the group of 5. Okay, so for group we do division. So here 756.82. So I'm doing round off. Okay, so wait, not doing round off, directly we can do 5 ones are 5, so remainder is 2, 5, then 5 fives are 25, then from here this time we will take 6, 5 ones are 5, sorry 1.8, 5 threes are 15, 5 6 are okay. So our answer is 151. So how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge? That is 151 buses. So here we will write answer 151 buses can stand in a line on this bridge. Okay. Have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? So I crossed near about 700 meter long bridge. Okay. Now everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. So there is water level is student, that is from the bridge it is very low. I think that time is maybe summer time, and it is from the bridge it is 40 meters below. But in the rainy season the water had risen. Then It was just about 50 meters below the bridge. So here one question is given. What is the difference between the water level of Narmada in the rainy season and now? So they are asking about the difference. It's mean we will do subtraction. So two statement we will write. In first statement we will write about the water level of Narmada at present below 40 meter from bridge. At present below 40 meter from the bridge. Next statement we will write water level of Narmada at rainy season below 15 meters about 15 meters below the bridge. Okay, so for difference, so 40 is given, 40 meter minus 15 meter. So our answer is 0 minus 5, 5 and 3 minus 1, 2. It means the difference is 25 meter.